Welcome at Expo Quimia, our most important exhibition here in Spain when it comes to chemical, petrochemical and pharmaceutical application. We like to present you on our booth the complete solution what we can offer for these segments. We talk about temperature, we're talking about calibration, level, force, weighting, and last but not least, IoT application where we can measure vibration, ultrasonic and temperature at once. This will support you when it comes to maintenance, preventive maintenance for pumps, rotating parts or valves.
Hello, welcome to the part of calibration products and calibration services of Vicat. First of all, we are a calibrated lab according to ISO 17025 with ENAC. We are able to calibrate 7 measurements like pressure, temperature, humidity, velocity, air, the speed, and also mass. Then we are talking about our calibration product. That means the part of pressure and also the part of temperature. In this case, we have a measure controller. It's a CPC 6050. This is the CPG 1500. This is the device under test. And now we are setting for 10 bars of a control point, and then this is working with a real calibration for pressure. It's very quick, and as soon as they achieve the 10 bars, they will stabilize, and then we can see in a green figures that is achieving the real value. Meanwhile, here this is a CPH 8000. It's a multifunction calibrator to go on site on the field, and then you can go for pressure and temperature and also electrical variables. You can do all at the same time in the field. Then it's 10 bars calibrated and near to 10 bars done. Now this is the part of temperature where we have a dry block multifunction with minus 10 bars. This could be the device under test, and we have a temperature reference CTR 4000 plus multiplexer. The good point is that you can see here different channels, and you can control up to 410 times the 10 channels of the CTS 3000.
We have here our live demo reactor for showing the different kind of multi-points that we have. We have 3 main different multi-points. We have for individual sheet. In this one multi-point that we have only one sheet, and we have the multi-point type with a thermo well. That multi-point is for reading the temperature of the beds, and we need to check, or we need to have the homogeneous temperature in one reactor. This reactor simulates the real process with different kind of beds. We have the intermediate bed and the bottom bed, and we have all the routing, the different routing that we can do inside the reactor.